This is a $4 lip combo. Let me de-influence you from spending more than like $5 on your lip combo. As long as you have moisturized lips, a Beauty Supply lip liner will do the job just fine, I promise you. We're gonna use Nabi, $1.99. The Nabi lip pencil at my local Beauty Supply, if you're in LA, is $1.99. Then I also got the Italia Deluxe Mousse matte lipstick. This is in my rotation regardless of what lip liner I have. I feel like it just gives the perfect little ombre lip. Lips aren't super moisturized right now, but I feel like it's gonna go on fine. Now it's time for the Italia Deluxe. This is the cherry on top. You don't even need that much. Like, you literally don't even need that much. Say it with me. The next time I have $5, I'm going to the Beauty Supply. The next time I have $5, I'm going to the Beauty Supply.